Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson. And so today I'll be teaching you What He Says by GUC. Alright, so it's a very nice and beautiful worship song. I play in the key of C, then I give you the full piano tutorial as usual. Very simple. So let's go. Jesus Christ, I cannot live without you. Righteous One, I cannot live without you. Holy One, I cannot live without you. If you leave me, I will die. If you leave me, I will suffer. Oh, I cannot live without you. Oh, I cannot live without you. Oh, I cannot live without you. If you leave me, I will die. If you leave me, I will suffer. That's why you said, that's why you said, you will leave me, you will leave me, you will leave me. That's what you said, that's why you said. Then we'll continue with Jesus Christ. Then the cycle continues like that, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna stop it there, then I break it down for us. So I'll start with the intro of the song. It's a very simple one. I'll just give the chord progression of the song because the intro, alright, takes the chord progression of the song already. So we are in the key of C major. So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So the first chord, alright, A minor, that's the sixth. 1, 2. That's the sixth. Alright, we go to F major, which is the fourth. Then we come to C major, which is the third. Alright, then that's the first. We come to the fifth. Alright, which is G major. Okay, so alright, this is what I did in the beginning. Alright, so when alright, I play that's broken chord F major, F, right? That's F, C, and F. Alright, alright, so do, do, la, right? So I'm playing F with my left, do, do, la, right? So do, do, la, alright, do, do, so I go to 1, do, do, so, do, do, so, alright, mi, do, C on do, mi, re, alright, do, ti, la, so, la, la, alright, do, ti, la, so, la, la. Alright, so that's all about the intro. Alright, so this is it. Alright. So that's all about the intro. All right, so the song itself takes the chord progression. All right, so all right, So we start with La Jesus Christ. Alright, so La Jesus Christ, I cannot live without you. Alright, Righteous 1:5, I cannot live without you. Alright, Jesus Christ, I cannot live without you. If you leave me, I will die. If you leave me, I will suffer. All right. So there's something that I did to go to the one. All right. Jesus Christ, I cannot live without you. All right. To go to the one. Don't see so do me. Okay. Alright, that's it. Righteous one, I cannot. To go to the second, do the same thing. Okay, so that's it. Alright, there's another part. You leave me. Alright, so you leave me. You won't leave me. That's why he said. That's why he's. Alright, the same chord progression we are left. Alright, while playing the melody, perfect octave. Alright, do la la. Alright, do la la. I'm going to fall with my left. La la, you. La la la, so la so. Alright, la so mi fa mi do re fa mi ti do. Alright guys, so I hope you learned something. So that's all about the song. It's just to know the chord progression and you play it very well. So subscribe to my channel for more videos. God bless you. Thank you.